talk about the Federal Reserve. So they started its September meeting actually today and expected to end tomorrow with its first interest rate out since the pandemic.
Fox 26's business reporter Tom Ziska says a cut would provide some relief for consumers and lay the groundwork for more to come. Tom.
The first place most consumers might see a slight effect will be in their credit card expenses, already at a collective record $1.14 trillion. As most credit card rates are variable, a $5,000 balance at 25% APR costs an average $1,250 a year in interest charges. Dropping the APR down to 24% will save just $50 a year in interest.
Auto loans could end up being a little cheaper, though interest rates are just a small part of the financing package that determines the cost of a loan. That includes credit ratings, how much we're actually trying to borrow. While vehicle prices have dropped a bit in the last year, they do remain above pre-pandemic levels, so you do want to focus on the total price and whether the monthly payment fits your budget.
Mortgages, meantime, are a little disconnected from the Fed's decision. Rates have slipped a little since the spring when a 30-year fixed rate note was above 7% versus today when it's almost 3/4 of a point lower. A Fed cut should not make or break a homebuyer's decision, but it might inspire some who are on the fence about moving.
The big question for the market and the economy is, well, how much?
Financial observers say there is little chance the Fed does not make a cut, and whatever comes will not have a significant impact on consumer wallets, but it will set the stage for more.
It's really not so much about today's rate cut. It's they have 2 or 3 more to go, and most projections for the Fed show that they'll continue to cut rates through 2025.
So personal loans, private student loans will also see some relief from a rate cut. As to how much relief, observers will be paying close attention to the words of Fed Chair Jerome Powell, parsing all of those words to determine just how serious the central bank is about cutting rates in the future. Watching Your Money, I'm Tom Ziska, Fox 26 News.